On the run from the Armada, are you? Well, I run a pirate haven here, not a charity. If you want me to hide you, you'll have to work for it. One of my more willful crewmen, a buccaneer named Finn, stole a jade amulet from me. I need it back. Finn fled to Skull Mountain and roused the Troggies. Now they're bombarding us. Get my amulet back. Report to Chief Rigby at the West Bastion. If you're to be a pirate, you'll need a ship. Do this right, and I'll give you one. You have my word of honor. Do we have an accord?
Ahoy there! Keep your head down, unless you're looking to be blown up. Blasted Troggies. They've gone mad, they have. You want to help? We need to stop this bombardment. Go find Bonnie Ann. She went across the bridge to teach the Troggies a lesson. You'll do more good there.
So who are you then? Avery sent you. Good. You've come just in time. That Finn, he's a wily one. He riled up the Troggies till they're mad as badgers. The slimy devils raided us last night. Took half our powder stores. Now they're flinging it back at the town.
We're trying to fight back, but there's too many of them. Soften them up a bit and I'll help you find Finn. Report to Lieutenant Smollett after.
See the footprints? Follow them, and we will be safe.
You're in combat! Later, you can have up to 4 pirates in a fight, but we'll get to that. You don't need to tell your companions how to fight. They can do it on their own.
Select companions to give specific orders. Unselected companions make their own combat decisions.
If you don't like this feature, go to Settings and disable it.
Okay. So be it.
Arr, you found treasure. Collect the gold before it disappears. Victory! After you win a fight, no enemies will attack you for a few seconds, so you can get to a safe place.
Smartly done, pirate. Now we'll show these croaking fiends the error of their ways.
Well done indeed. You're good to have around in a fight. I said I'd help you find Finn, and I'm a girl on my word. You have room for another on your crew, Captain.
You're here for Finn. There'll be time for that soon enough. Skull Island's threatened, pirate, and it's up to us to save it. The Troggies are using 3 great slingshots to hurl firebombs at the West Bastion. The bombardment's wearing down the town's defenses. Our cannons could destroy them, but the farthest slingshot's out of range. Not only that, but the gunners can't see the other 2 through all this jungle. Go to the 3rd slingshot and set off the powder kegs they're flinging to destroy it. Scout out the other 2 slingshots and mark them on this map. You'll have to get pretty close to mark them. Be careful. Report back when you're finished. Good hunting.
your command.
Yeah?
Yes, Captain. At your command. Yes?
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 Is that all?
It is done. Now go find the other two. If you fear the Troggies, keep to the sidewalk. That took forever. Go to Smollett, quickly.
You did it, pirate! Now we'll answer their slingshots with cannons. Now that the Troggy artillery is out of action, we can look to getting Captain Avery his bauble back. Finn fled up the trail. I'd wager he's hiding in the Skull Cave. I sent two of my best scouts, Livesey and Shepard, up the trail to see. They've been gone for hours. Go see if the Troggies got them. If Livesey and Shepard are alive, they'll know where Finn is.